Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Chrome.exe shortcut changed or moved error. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, locate the Google Chrome app or shortcut on your desktop. Once you've found it, right-click on the Chrome icon to bring up the context menu. From the options that appear, click on Show More Options. This will expand the menu and give you access to additional settings that aren't immediately visible in the standard right-click menu. Now, from the expanded menu, click on Properties. This will open a new window showing detailed information about your Chrome shortcut. In this window, you'll see several tabs, but you'll want to focus on the target field specifically. This field shows the exact file path that your shortcut is pointing to. Make sure the path matches exactly what I'm showing on screen in my notepad. The target field should point to the correct location of your Chrome executable file, and any discrepancy here is likely causing your shortcut error. If the path is incorrect or different, you'll need to correct it to match the proper Chrome installation path. Now, if that first method doesn't resolve your issue, there's a second way to fix this problem. Open your File Explorer and navigate to your local disk, typically the C drive where Google Chrome is installed. Once you're in the C drive, click on Program Files to open that folder. Inside Program Files, look for and click on the Google folder. Within the Google folder, you'll see a Chrome folder, so go ahead and click on that. Finally, click on the Application folder. This is where the actual Chrome executable file lives. Inside the Application folder, locate the file named Chrome.exe. Right-click on this file and select Show More Options from the context menu. Next, hover over Send to in the expanded menu and then click Desktop Shortcut. This action creates a fresh, correctly linked shortcut on your desktop, which should resolve any path or reference issues with your previous shortcut. Now, if neither of these methods fixes your problem, you'll need to take a more comprehensive approach. Go to your device settings by clicking the Start menu and selecting Settings. From there, navigate to the Apps section. In the Apps list, find Google Chrome by scrolling through or using the search function. Once you've located Chrome, click on it and select Uninstall. This will remove Chrome from your system entirely. After the uninstallation is complete, you'll want to download and install Chrome again from the official Google website. A fresh installation will create all new shortcuts and registry entries, which should completely eliminate the shortcut error. And that's it! You've now resolved the Chrome shortcut issue using one of these three methods. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.